Hey guys, if you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much. I want to show you what we got here. We got this soundbar. This is Samsung HWC430, a budget soundbar. This gear will amplify your TV experience with 270 watts of sound. Deeper bass delivered by 6.5-inch subwoofer included in the box. Feel part of the action with 3D surround sound delivered by Visual DTX. Enjoy sound tailor for your entertainment with adaptive sound lit, directional sound dedicated for a better gaming. The main features: 6.5 subwoofer included, powerful bass for blockbuster action, Bluetooth connection. You can connect this to your TV via Bluetooth optical cable. Optical cable is not included in the packaging, so this soundbar you can only connect it to TV via Bluetooth or with optical cable, but you need to buy the optical cable. So Bluetooth connection, adaptive sound lit, AI optimized sound for the best audio experience, game mode, directional sound dedicated for better gaming experience. So we're going to check this stuff out and see what is inside. I hope it will help you to make informed choice. Nice. This is very light. Information pack. The subwoofer here. Brilliant. So, information pack, remote control, 2 power cables, battery, and wall mount included. This is very light. See what it looks like. The top is wood. Now this front got black clothing, 2 speakers within the system. On top here you switch this soundbar on and off. Then minus is for you to decrease the volume, the plus is for you to increase the volume, and this button here is input for you to select optical or Bluetooth or USB. And at the back, digital audio port goes in here, optical cable, and also you have USB. Now this is where the power cable goes, so no HDMI, so only optical cable is optical cable port, and USB port is included. So this is a decent soundbar on the budget. This is the subwoofer here. Decent size is 6.5 inch. It's not heavy. See what it looks like. Nice. This is the remote control. See what it looks like. Normal remote control for the Samsung Soundbar. 2 power cable, battery, and wall mount. So 2 power cables, remote control, and battery, manual. Sandbag. Measure this from this end. So this end 86 centimeter, and this is 5.9 centimeter. The subwoofer from the front to the back 27 centimeter. The height is 34 centimeter. The width in this section is 27.5 centimeter. Now to set this up, so take the power cable, go at the back of the subwoofer. Subwoofer, you switch it on and off from this, and also reset this subwoofer from this button here. So take the power cable, push it inside, then plug this to the socket, then take the other power cable, connect it to the back of this soundbar where it's written power. Push the cable inside it, and this in. Plug it onto the socket, and at the back here, this blue flashing light means that the soundbar is not yet paired with the subwoofer. Once they are paired together, it will be a steady blue light. So at the moment it's not paired yet. So the next thing we need to do is put the battery in the remote control. Push this down, then take the battery. On the right side, the negative goes to the top. Then on the left side, the negative goes to the bottom and the positive on the top. And once you've done that, push this back up. How to use this remote control. This button here is for you to switch the soundbar on and off. This one is the input. You select the input for you to select optical, USB. Now this button here is Bluetooth pair. The center one is pause and play button. Now you also have up and down button here, and also sideways. The sideways to the right is for you to skip forward. The sideways button here is for you to go backwards. The up and down is when you select channel level, use up and down to select the particular level you want. Now this button here is mute. This button here is for you to increase the volume. Push it up to increase the volume, push it down to decrease the volume. On the right side, you also have button here is for subwoofer, for you to increase it or decrease it. This button here is information. This button here is tone control. When pressed the setting, the treble and bass are displayed in the sequence. Then use up and down to increase the treble or decrease the bass. And this button here is sound control button. When pressed the setting, audio sync, voice enhancement, you switch the voice enhancement and night mode on and off. So once you press this, then use up and down to select on or off. And the channel level, when pressed the setting, visual center level is displayed in sequence. The desired sequence can be adjusted using the up and down button. Now to switch this soundbar on, you just need to press the button here and it will show you hello D.in. Now you select Bluetooth and it's showing us BT pairing, looking for available Bluetooth device. You also see that the subwoofer is steady blue light. It's no longer flashing. It means that they are linked together. Now what we want to do is we need to test the audio using Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound is music for content creator. Go to your phone settings, connection, then switch Bluetooth on, and the Bluetooth is on. Now I need to scroll and look for this device. This device is Samsung Soundbar C4 series. Select on it, and it's pairing. Bluetooth pair request, select pair, and it's connected. Once it's connected, if you look on the soundbar, it will show you that the soundbar is connected and connected for audio. So now we're going to test the audio using Epidemic Sound. So this is Epidemic Sound, goes to saved music. This is the audio.
Small-minded people sure know how to drink. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did, 'cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me. Little did I know she wanted you alone. I thought she was over you, but I guess I was wrong. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. She thought she could tear us apart when she kissed your lips. Oh, what a plot twist. 'Cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me. Oh, so cruel. Oh, so I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. I wanna do the things they say we shouldn't do. I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. Live life like it's a prison, break the rules. I wanna wake up in the
This is Game DTS Visual X. Standard, surround, game. This is standard. Surround. Treble. Treble plus 6. Bass.
I just wanted things and lose control.
Bass plus 6.
Gonna talk you. My head's within the clouds. My body feels the pulse. My feet are saying round and round we go. One glass in, you're already on my mind. When it gets late, I always realize that I need you. Just one glass in, you're already on my mind. When it gets late, I always realize that I need you. Are you thinking about me tonight? Like a drug, I am hooked on you, sweeter than summer wine.
Brilliant. Thank you very much. Beautiful.